Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Ram 1500 lift kit is probably one of the most transformative modifications you can make to your truck, dramatically altering its appearance, off-road prowess, and even ground clearance, but choosing the right lift kit for your Ram 1500 is crucial to ensure a safe and effective upgrade. This video will guide you through the process of selecting the perfect lift kit, considering factors such as lift height, suspension type, and installation complexity, to help you make an informed decision that best suits your needs and driving style. Number 5. DYNOFIT Ram 1500 Lift Kit. This lift kit is designed for 2009 to 2024 Dodge Ram 1500 4WD 4x4 models and 2019 to 2024 2WD models. However, it's important to note that it does not fit air suspension, Mega Cab, TRX models, or most 2WD Rams. It's constructed from high-strength 6061 T6 aluminum alloy and features a durable powder-coated finish for superior corrosion resistance. The strong, grade 10.9 to 12.9 bolts ensure lasting performance. This kit provides extra space for larger tires and wheels, enhancing your truck's appearance and improving ground clearance. Enjoy a smoother, more balanced ride, even on rough terrain. It levels the factory rake, ensuring a balanced front and rear height. This improves the truck's look and driving experience without compromising comfort. Installation is a simple bolt-on process, no strut coil removal or drilling is required. Just install it on top of the strut and secure it with the provided bolts. Remember that a wheel alignment is necessary after installation. If you plan to add aftermarket wheels or tires, do so after the alignment. It raises the front by 3 inches and the rear by 2 inches, the lift height isn't a 1-to-1 ratio with the kit thickness. We stand behind our product with a 2-year warranty and worry-free after-sales service. We also offer a 30-day refund policy. Contact us with any questions or concerns. What we like. It boasts a simple bolt-on installation, saving you time and effort. The high-quality materials ensure long-lasting performance. If you're on a budget but still want a reliable lift kit, this is a great option for your truck lift needs. Number 4. Richeer Ram 1500 Lift Kit. It fits 2009 to 2019 Ram 1500 4WD 4x4 and 2020 to 2024 Ram 1500 2WD 4WD. However, it's not compatible with Ram 1500 2WD Mega Cab, TRX, or Rebel models. This kit is made with CNC automatic processing for high accuracy and stability. The precise hole positions make installation a breeze. It's constructed from sturdy and durable 6061 T6 aluminum forged alloy. High quality, pre-installed heat-treated 12.9 grade studs are included. It offers superior ground clearance, conquering off-road challenges with ease. Plus, it allows for larger rims and tires, enhancing your truck's aggressive look. Installation is quick and easy, taking only 1 to 2 hours. No cutting, drilling, or strut coil disassembly is required. It lifts the front of your truck by 3 inches and the rear by 2 inches. Remember that due to suspension geometry, the lift height isn't a 1-to-1 ratio with the kit thickness. All Richeer products come with a 2-year warranty against defects in materials and workmanship from the date of purchase. Enjoy peace of mind with your purchase. What we like. This kit is known for its precision manufacturing, guaranteeing a perfect fit. It's built with robust materials to withstand tough conditions. With a 2-year warranty, you're covered if anything goes wrong. This is a solid choice for those who prioritize quality and peace of mind. Number 3. Rough Country Ram 1500 Lift Kit. It's time to give your Ram 1500 the upgrade it deserves. This kit delivers unmatched performance, protection, and style for any adventure. With superior ground clearance, it conquers any obstacle with ease. Experience the thrill of off-road driving like never before. It boasts premium N3 shock absorbers, ensuring a smooth and controlled ride on and off-road. These shocks are built to last. It's built tough with heavy-duty lifted knuckles, front and rear crossmembers, and skid plates for ultimate protection. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for a complete lift, including rear support and coil spacers. Installation is straightforward. Your investment is protected by Rough Country's lifetime replacement warranty on the lift components and a 3-year warranty on the shocks. Drive with confidence. What we like. Get a significant lift with this kit's impressive 6-inch height. It includes heavy-duty components for superior strength and off-road capability. The lifetime warranty provides ultimate protection. It's perfect for serious off-roaders who demand the best. What people say. It's a perfect fit for a 2014 Dodge Ram 4WD, so far, so good. The ride quality has remained the same. Rides great. 35 by 12.50 20s on 20x12s, 6 inches lift and will still clear a 7-foot garage opening. Rides like stock, just higher. Perfect fit and all parts accounted for. My truck went from a truck to a monster truck. Number 2. ReadyLift 69 to 1040 Lift Kit. Upgrade your Dodge Ram 1500 with this premium lift kit. It's designed to enhance both performance and style. This kit is specifically engineered for 2009 to 2017 Dodge Ram 1500 4WD models. Ensure your truck is compatible before installation. It provides a balanced 4-inch lift in the front and a 2-inch lift in the rear, enhancing ground clearance and off-road capabilities. High-quality tubular upper control arms are included for improved handling and durability. These are essential for a safe and effective lift. With this lift, you can fit larger 35 by 12.50 tires, giving your truck an aggressive look and improved traction. Important note, this lift kit is not compatible with trucks equipped with factory air suspension. Please verify your truck's suspension type before purchasing. What we like. This kit offers a substantial 4-inch front lift for an aggressive look. The tubular control arms enhance performance and durability. If you own a 2009 to 2017 model and want a noticeable lift, this is the one for you. Number 1. Rough Country Ram 1500 Lift Kit. It's time to upgrade your Ram 1500. This lift kit gives you the perfect blend of performance, protection, and style. With unmatched ground clearance, it conquers any obstacle with confidence. Premium N3 shocks provide the best on- and off-road performance. It features forged aluminum control arms that keep ball joints at optimum angles, and Clevite OEM-style rubber bushings for a smooth ride. This kit is designed for easy at-home installation. Rough Country support is always available if you need assistance. Your investment is protected by Rough Country's limited lifetime replacement warranty. Drive with confidence knowing it's built to endure. Upgrade your Ram 1500 today and enjoy the unmatched quality and performance of this Rough Country lift kit. It's the ultimate combination of style and capability. What we like. This kit provides a balanced lift with great performance. The N3 shocks deliver a smooth ride, on and off-road. If you value a smooth ride and easy installation, this kit is a great choice. What people say. Install seems straightforward, handles great and stance it aggressive. The ride is pretty good and I'm definitely happy with it. Installed in about 4 hours. Everything fit great. Good way to fit 35s with some minor plastic trimming. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.